Fish Aquarium. Silver tip tetra. Ember tetra. How to draw a fish.
Aquarium needs to be cleaned. 2 buckets to change water. 1 for wastewater and 1 has aged water. Aquarium floss works well to clean the walls. Empty about 25% of the water. Add aged water and new filter floss. All done.
How do fish breathe underwater?
Fish have special organs called gills, which are found on the sides of their heads. Fish breathe in water, which flows across and out of the gills. The gills absorb the oxygen in the water and move that oxygen into the body.
How do fish float underwater?
Let's take a look at a fish. Let's look inside the fish. Fish have a special organ called a swim bladder. The swim bladder is able to fill with oxygen from the gills and chemical reactions within the swim bladder. When the buoyant force equals the force of gravity, the fish swim in the middle of the water. However, when they fill up their swim bladder with oxygen, they're lighter, less dense, which means they float to the surface. When they reduce the amount of oxygen within their swim bladder, they sink. They become heavier, more dense. And that's how fish can float underwater.
Complete the sequence. 2, 4, 6. 8. Hey guys, I'm gonna be feeding my fish. So yeah. So first, we usually take about this much, maybe even less, I don't know. We'll crunch it up to look at how tiny their mouths are and feed them to them. And then we need to mark my calendar of feeding my fish. So that's how much. I have to dump it in. gander to watch them eat. And then now we're gonna mark my calendar. Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you my shrimp because I already showed you my fish. So this is what they eat. Veggie discs. I don't know what to call them. If you want to see it up close, they only eat once a week. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, you can take a look at the shrimp. So that's how I feed my fish and shrimp. Thanks for watching.